Welcome to the playground. This video will give you a quick overview of the Mathematics Distillation Challenge, Equational Theories, Stage 2 Playground, and walk you through running and debugging a solver test. Before you begin, please make sure you have registered for a SARE account. The playground is only for debugging and validation and does not count toward your official competition score. The system provides free credits every day, which reset daily at midnight UTC. First, go to the competition details page, then select Playground to open the Playground page. Once you are there, create or select a solver in the Solver section. Click Add New to create a new solver. You can edit the code directly in the editor or upload a local .python file. A solver is your Python problem-solving program. It may include search logic, decision strategies, and prompts, but it must ultimately output lean, verifiable proof code. Next, choose the model you want to use for this test. Then, choose a problem to test from the public problem set, or add a custom problem. After confirming that the solver, model, and problem are ready, click Run to start the test. When the test is complete, the results panel will display the judge verdict, lean output, runtime, and model call records. You can use this feedback to keep improving your solver, rerun tests, and compare the effects of different strategies. The core value of the playground is to help you quickly identify issues, validate ideas, and gradually improve the stability of your solver before making an official submission. The official Mathematics Distillation Challenge, Equational Theories. Stage 2 competition offers 2 tracks, Solo and Marathon. You may choose to participate in either one or in both. Regardless of which track you choose, your submitted Python solver must not exceed 500 kilobytes. You're now ready to test and refine your solver in the SARE playground. Start experimenting and prepare your submission for the Mathematics Distillation Challenge.